Hey everybody, happy Monday evening. Wow, wholesale hotline, man. Gets hot. And three red-blooded American males just talking at the same time over top of each other. It's just intense. Kind of prefer doing my own thing, to be honest. So here we are, 933 people. This Zoom will max out. My Zoom will only allow me to have 1,000 people, unfortunately. So consider you guys self lucky. At some point, if you leave, you won't be able to come back. And the reason being is because we will max out at 1,000 people. So let me do a couple of things. Give me about 2 minutes. I will do everything tonight that I plan on doing. Even if it takes me an hour and a half, I will do everything I plan on doing. What we're going to talk about are some really cool ways that no matter who you are, no matter what resources you have, you can actually become a Gator lender. And I'm going to break down what a Gator lender is. For those of you who missed the 4-hour live yesterday, I'll break that down in about 5 minutes, tell you what we